Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you.
Artificial intelligence. This is what everyone is talking about. Especially nowadays, ChatGPT is changing how we live. AI is transforming industries across the globe. We know that. And understanding AI and how ChatGPT work is very important. One thing I know, a lot of people don't have a clue what is AI, how it works, how it is changing our lives. That is why I bring you this simple course, Introduction to AI and ChatGPT. Hi, my name is Imran Afzal, and I've been in IT for over 20 years. I have been teaching IT related courses for a while and have over 1 million students worldwide. I teach some of the best selling and highest rated courses. I earned my bachelor's in CIS from Baruch College, City University of New York, and my MBA from New York Institute of Technology. In this course, we will cover everything from the basics of machine learning and neural networks to advanced topics like natural language processing. But that's not all. We will spend a significant amount of time where you will learn how you could take advantage of ChatGPT and be more productive through real life examples. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting your journey into AI, this course is designed to give you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. So let's go and learn everything about AI and ChatGPT.
Hey folks, I request you to please spend just a few minutes with me to go over the course and understand what exactly we are covering in this entire course. I have broken down this course into 8 different sections. Section 1 is about Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, where we will cover what is AI, the history of AI, its features, importance, and then we'll get into ChatGPT. We'll cover the introduction of ChatGPT, the difference between ChatGPT and all the other search engines that are out there. Then we'll talk about the difference between AI and robots. Also, we'll cover the benefits of AI, the limitation and challenges of AI, and what are the ethical consideration of artificial intelligence. Then moving on to section 2, which is about artificial intelligence in daily life. And we'll cover AI in our homes and surroundings, in our smartphones, healthcare, education and e-learning, entertainment world, transportation world, in IT, and in all the other industries. I will cover every one of them and tell you how AI is used today in all of these different sectors. Then moving on to section 3, which is about chatbots and ChatGPT. We'll cover the difference between chatbot and ChatGPT. Then we'll cover history of ChatGPT, ChatGPT versus other chatbots. Then we'll cover the role of ChatGPT in artificial intelligence. Then importance of ChatGPT and how was life before ChatGPT. And of course, how ChatGPT is being used today and every day of our life. All right, then moving on to section 4, which is ChatGPT in our daily life, the most important lecture or most important, sorry, section in this entire course. This is where we're going to cover how ChatGPT is used in all the different parts of our life, starting with homes and surrounding, healthcare, education, career development, in IT, entertainment, transportation, in art. Then moving on to customer service, business finance, law, travel, real estate, corporate world, and all the other industries as combined together. So I will show you all the different people in the world, all in these different fields, how they are taking advantage of ChatGPT. All right, moving on to section 5. That is about ChatGPT user guide. We'll cover ChatGPT dashboard complete guide, how you could work, what are the different features. Then we'll explore ChatGPT's. There are other additional features within that. Then we'll go with a Dolly, which is a tool that creates images for you. Then we'll create how you could have your own ChatGPT for your own self or for your own organization. Then moving on to section 6, understanding the mechanics behind the technology of ChatGPT, meaning how this technology works. And that's what we'll start with the first one. Then we'll get into natural language understanding. Then we'll get into context retention and continuity, user interaction and feedback mechanism, and then we'll cover the limitation and challenges of ChatGPT. Then moving down to section 7, future of AI, ChatGPT, and the jobs. We'll cover what applications that we are using today are moving toward ChatGPT. Then we'll cover why today ChatGPT matters so much. We'll also get into the impact of artificial intelligence on society and employment and ethical implication of AI. We'll also cover future trends and development in AI, AI-driven markets, jobs for ChatGPT experts, and job descriptions. You should definitely focus on this section a lot because this is where the future is heading. And if you want to secure your job, what are the things you should be aware of? Then coming the last section, artificial intelligence working and categories, and we are covering how AI works, categories, machine learning, types of machine learning, natural network and deep learning, generative AI and businesses in e-commerce, generative AI for customer engagement, then generative AI for research and development, and then governance and compliance for artificial intelligence. We are covering so much that you could tell right here from the course overview. Now ask yourself this question. Is this the course that you've been waiting for and is this the right course? If answer comes back yes, then definitely go back and please go ahead and enroll and don't forget to review the course and leave a rating for the course. Thank you and I'll see you inside the course. Hey folks, in this lesson I will provide you with the basic overview of AI, which of course stands for artificial intelligence. So let the excitement begin. Okay, for better clarity, let's first break down the term artificial intelligence. Of course, it is a combination of two words, artificial and intelligence. Artificial refers to anything created by human beings rather than occurring naturally. Before I describe the term intelligence, I want you to take a moment and ask this question to yourself. What do you think of intelligence? Okay, let's check it out. In simple terms, intelligence is the ability to learn, process, and apply knowledge and skills to do your task and solve problems. Just like you take your lessons, create projects, and overcome roadblocks using the knowledge and skills that you learned, right? So, you can simply define artificial intelligence as the creation of machines and systems that are able to learn, process information, apply knowledge and skills to perform actions and solve problems just like humans. AI machines have the ability such as perception, decision making, and adaptation to new situations. Here, perception is the process of analyzing and making sense of the information received through five senses. As per Wikipedia, artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machines or software as opposed to the intelligence of humans or animals. Let's look into it further. AI is a branch of computer science that is about making machines think and act humanly and rationally. Yes, you heard it right. With AI, machines can act and think logically, just like you, me, and all of us, and at some point more efficiently than us. AI made machines can perform tasks like learning, reasoning, problem solving, understanding natural languages, and understanding of the environment as well. These days, AI is helping us in every aspect of our lives. Simple real life examples of AI includes like virtual assistant. Like I'm sure most of you have like Google Assistant. If you have an iPhone, you probably have Siri. If you have Amazon Alexa, that's also like a virtual assistant to you. I will discuss how AI is aiding us and making our lives easier in our upcoming lectures. Now, you might be thinking how AI works. So, in this video, I will tell you the basics, but I promise to provide a detailed lecture on this in a later sections. Okay, let's first understand how humans learn from their experiences. For example, a child learns in the early age that if she screams, the parents will get mad, right? So the child will learn not to scream or try not to scream. Another example would be like an adult who learns that if he comes to work late most of the time, then he can lose his job, right? That's a learning curve. So these are all examples of learning. So machine learns the same way. For example, if you visit a website that sells shoes, then your internet AI learns that you like shoes and it will show you shoe related websites or ads, right? Another example is your smartphone photo app. It learns to recognize and categorize faces or places by analyzing many images. Just like you learn to identify friends in the photo, the app then organizes these images accordingly. Okay, so AI, we all know, uses special computer programs to look at lots of information, recognizing patterns, and make decisions. Okay, so now I hope you have a good introduction to AI, and we will discover a lot about it in the upcoming videos. Hey folks, in this video, I will take you to the memory lane of where artificial intelligence started and where it is today. Starting with 1950s, Alan Turing proposed a Turing test that was a way to measure whether a machine could behave intelligently like humans. In 1951, Christopher Strachey developed one of the first computer programs for playing a board game called checkers. That same year, Marvin Minsky created Snark, that was an early artificial neural network. Then in 1955, Arthur Samuel developed the first self learning game playing program that was capable of improving its play through experience. In 1956, a computer scientist, John McCarthy, organized a workshop called the Dartmouth Workshop, as he first used the name artificial intelligence. It is considered the founding event of artificial intelligence. One important piece of this research was Alan Turing's 1950 paper, where he talked about machine that could think like people. Then MIT Artificial Intelligence Lab was established in 1960s by Marvin Minsky, John McCarthy, Oliver Selfridge, and Jerome Wiesner. In 1961, George DeWall and Joseph Engelberger invented the first industrial robot called Unimate. It was installed at General Motors. Then in 1964, the first demo of AI program was displayed or demonstrated which could understand natural language. Then in 1966, Joseph Wiesenbaum created the first chatbot named Eliza. The same year, a mobile robot named Shaky was developed at Stanford. It was capable of reasoning about its action. During 1970s, progress in AI slowed due to the limited computing power, insufficient understanding of complexity, and reduced funding because people were doubtful about its future. But in 1980s, companies started getting interested again and the Japanese government made a big effort to support it. Moreover, in 1980s, AI research began to include machine learning. That refers to a technique where computers learn from data. This led to more practical application of AI. You will learn more about machine learning in the later lectures. Then in 1989, Carnegie Mellon created autonomous vehicles using neural networks. You will learn more about neural networks later on. Then comes 1997, the biggest point that surprisingly shocked the whole world. So, are you ready for it? Okay, in 1997, a Deep Blue, a computer designed by IBM, won against Gary Kasparov. He was the top chess player in the world at that time. In 1999, Sony introduced AIBO, a robotic dog that was capable of interacting with its environment and learning from its experiences. In 2004, the first major autonomous vehicle competition named DARPA Grand Channel was conducted. In 2009, Google started building a self-driving car that led to Waymo. Waymo is an autonomous vehicle company. In 2010, a software company named Narrative Science was founded. Their core technology focuses on using artificial intelligence to convert data into reports and other forms of text. In 2015, a group of technology investors, including Reid Hoffman, Elon Musk, and Peter Thiel, commit $1 billion in long term funding for artificial intelligence. The purpose of the project was to benefit humanity. Then in 2016, IBM Watson defeated Jeopardy champions. IBM Watson is a brainy computer system that answers your questions and helps solve problems, and it is powered by AI and data. Some virtual assistants like Siri, Google Now, and Cortana became popular in 2016. Following events happened in 2016, Google DeepMind's AlphaGo defeated Lee Sedol, who was the world champion Go player. Stanford issued AI's 100 report that explored the potential benefit and risk of AIs developed over the 100 years and recommended pathways for responsible development. Okay, in 2018, neural networks that are also known as large language models were introduced. These models learn by analyzing huge amount of text. For instance, BERT, B-E-R-T, is a system developed by Google that can complete sentences. Okay, then in 2022, ChatGPT was released that is an online chatbot designed by OpenAI. It was probably the most important moment in artificial intelligence revolution. So, you can say that AI is not new. People started working on AI many years ago and it's still developing and growing. All right, I hope you learned a lot about history of AI. I will see you in the next video. Hey folks, in this video we are going to explore the interesting features of artificial intelligence. The goal is to see how AI is used in the world around us. So let's begin. AI has many features, and the first one is learning. Yes, that's the basic feature of AI. AI systems can learn from data or information and improve themselves just like we do on the basis of our own experiences. This data helps AI assess or evaluate situation and give results that meets our need. For example, when you use a translation app, it gets better over time because it learns from more words and sentences. Entertainment platforms like YouTube, Netflix, etc. suggest the relevant videos based on your watch history. Shopping apps such as Amazon, eBay, or Walmart offer products after learning from your purchase history. So it's all about learning. Then the next one is problem solving. The next amazing feature of AI is, of course, problem solving. AI can find solution to complex problems. Isn't it amazing to have a machine that can solve your problems just like smart friend who is good at sorting out your issues? Navigation apps are a simple example of this. These apps suggest the quickest routes by looking at traffic, so you don't mistakenly take a longer paths. The problem-solving elements of AI doesn't stop here. Rather, it helps doctors to diagnose diseases, in finance to predict market trends, and makes games more challenging. All right, the next one is decision making. AI makes decisions by analyzing lots of data and spotting patterns to choose the best action. Chess playing AI is its perfect example. It looks at the chessboard, understands the current situation, and then decides its next move based on the best strategy. All right, then comes perception and understanding. Perception in AI refers to the ability of artificial intelligence systems to understand and make sense of the world around them. This involves processing and analyzing data from various sources, such as cameras, sensors, or text, to recognize patterns, objects, and meanings. Now, for example, image recognition apps can identify objects, people, and their emotions in photos and videos for things like online tagging or security. It also senses the surroundings, helping robots and smart devices to find their way and react, like avoiding barriers or controlling lights. All right, next one is language understanding and interaction. AI can understand and respond to human languages, so it can communicate with us and other systems. It can pick up on what we say or type and then answer back or follow our instructions. Chatbots are like ChatGPT, Google Bard, Gemini, and many more are its examples. While you can interact with other voice assistants, like of course Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri through this voice commands. Then adaptability. It means that AI can adapt and change its behavior based on different situations. For instance, for instance, smart thermostats adjust home temperature based on your routine and weather. They learn from your habits and the external environment to provide the most comfortable and efficient heating or cooling. Yes, isn't it cool? Yes. All right. The next one is automation. AI can do tasks with less or without human involvement. It saves your time and energy while performing your routine tasks perfectly. Now, for instance, robotic vacuum cleaner automatically cleans your house, and automatic washing machine run by themselves using the technology of automation. All right, guys, that's all about features of AI, but it's just a beginning. I will see you in the next lesson. In this video, we will learn about the importance of artificial intelligence. If you are wondering why AI is so important to learn, well, let's find out. Artificial intelligence is increasingly important for several reasons, and the first one is economic impact. AI is transforming industries and creating new job opportunities. For individuals, understanding AI is crucial for staying competitive in the job market and for businesses to remain relevant, advanced, and more customer focused. For example, stores now use AI for personalized recommendations, predicting trends, and managing inventory. This technology not only improves the shopping experience for customers, but also creates new jobs in data analysis and AI systems management. Then the next important is the high demand. AI skills are increasingly in high demand across various industries, whether in healthcare, finance, education, and even in our homes. AI skills have become highly valuable for career development. Moreover, AI knowledge opens doors to a wide range of career paths, including AI developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, and much more. If you have artificial intelligence, a keyword in your resume, trust me, it will get picked up right away. That's how important AI is becoming. All right, the next one is business optimization. Beyond creating job opportunities, AI smooths operation, enhances customer experiences, and makes your business up to date. Understanding AI can lead to more efficient and effective business strategies. A simple example of AI in business optimization is chatbots on website. These AI tools handle customer inquiries quickly and efficiently, improving customer service while reducing the workload on a human staff. I'm sure you're going to find a lot of website where you could go and you could actually chat on the chatbot. Okay, then the next one is problem solving. AI is being used to address some of the world's biggest challenges, such as climate change, healthcare, and transportation. So, knowledge of AI can help to find solutions to these critical situations from a new data driven aspect. Then the next one is technological advancement. As technology is advancing, AI is becoming a vital part of many systems and devices. Understanding AI helps you stay informed about new developments and how they impact society. This also involves understanding its ethical implications, making informed decisions about technology's use. For instance, smartphones uses AI for voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. They help us find information, manage tasks, and understand the user preferences. Then the next one is personal development. AI is a field that encourages critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. Studying or learning AI encourages creativity and a deeper understanding of the world around us. These days, AI is being applied to every field, either computer science, mathematics, psychology, and many more. If you really want to progress with the world and keep yourself updated with the recent skills, then learning AI is a must. Okay, then next one is global relevance. AI is a global phenomena affecting economies, policies, and cultures worldwide. Understanding AI is a pathway to the modern world. It helps us keep technology and make sense of the global changes. A common example is the use of AI in translation apps. These apps break language barriers, enabling people worldwide to communicate easily. In this way, AI is playing its role in connecting culture and influencing global interaction. So, in summary, artificial intelligence is very powerful when used in the right way. And I would urge you to please embrace artificial intelligence and don't be afraid of it. Don't think that it is going to take away your jobs. No, it is here to improve your work and your lifestyle. All right, everyone, that's all about this video, and I will see you in my next one. Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about trending topic that is ChatGPT. I am sure you have heard of ChatGPT or probably already using ChatGPT. Okay, I'm sure you're very excited about learning it, so let's get started. So let's start with what is a ChatGPT? If you have to put it in words, it is a computer program designed to talk with people in a way that feels natural and, of course, friendly. It was developed by a US based artificial intelligence research organization known as OpenAI. It was launched in November 2022. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Yes, let's break it down further and check why it is called so. The first one word is chat, of course, which means it can chat with you just like you talk with any other human. Then comes the G, which is for generative, means it can generate its own words or sentences based on the question asked. Then comes the P, which is pre trained, refers to the fact that it has learned a lot about languages, facts, and information by going through a lot of books or websites. And all of that is actually going through the data. Then the last one is the T, which stands for transformer, refers to a type of neural network architecture that is particularly well suited for processing sequential data like text. This transformer predicts text, including the next word, sentence, or even paragraph, based on its training data's the typical sequence. Okay, due to the above reasons, it is called language model, and it focuses on natural language processing, understanding, and generating human-like text. Technically, ChatGPT is not AI itself. Remember that. Rather, it is an application of AI and a type of chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program that can have a conversation with you, answer your questions, and chat like a human. You will learn more about chatbots in one of the upcoming lessons. Okay, in short, you can say that AI is a broader concept having various technologies and applications, while ChatGPT is one of its features. ChatGPT is a helpful tool, especially for learning and exploring new ideas. It is like a big book that has read lots of information from the internet, books, and articles. It can answer questions on many topics to help you with learning new things, write stories, give advice, and even help solve problems. When you ask it something, it remembers what it has read and tries to give you the best answer. And that's what it makes the difference from other search engines like Google or Bing or any other. You go to those search engines, you type what you're looking for, and of course, you're going to get a lot of results. And you have to pick which one is the one that suits you. Whereas ChatGPT will compare everything for you from all different search results and give you the best result. Okay, you can use it via your browser. Just visit the link chat.openai.com. Click on the first link and sign up by entering your details. As of right now, it has two versions, ChatGPT 3.5 with basic features and ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus. You can use its first version for free, but you need to get a paid version to use a newer version for. Different plans are available that you can check through its website. Many people use ChatGPT for learning, getting help with homework, writing, or just having interesting conversation. It's used in many different ways around the world, but it's always important to remember it's a machine and not a human, so it has its limitation. You will explore a lot about ChatGPT in the later videos. All right, that's all about ChatGPT, and I'll see you in the next video. Difference between ChatGPT and search engine. Hey everyone, in this video we will learn the difference between ChatGPT and search engines. So let's get started. The first comparison is on the interaction model. ChatGPT is designed to interact in a conversational manner. You can ask question or have a discussion as you would with a human. It remembers the context of the conversation and can provide follow-up information based on previous exchanges. Now, whereas search engine, it operates on a query response model. You enter a query and it returns a list of links with titles and brief description. There's no conversation or context persistence. All right, after interaction model, let's look at another difference on information presentation. ChatGPT synthesizes information and presents it in a text format as part of a conversation. It can summarize, clarify, and present complex ideas in a more accessible way. Now, search engine on the other hand provides a list of links to external sources. You need to visit these links for detailed information one by one. All right, then comes the data source. ChatGPT knowledge is based on the data it was trained on, which includes a vast range of internet texts up to its last update. It doesn't have real time access to the internet. Now, when it comes to search engine, it has real time access to the internet and can provide the most current information available from website across the web. Then the next one we'll talk about is functionality. ChatGPT, beyond answering questions, can assist in tasks like writing, tutoring, coding, and more in a conversational format. Whereas search engine primarily used for finding websites or information on the internet. Some search engines also provide quick answers, calculations, or conversions. Then comes the accuracy and reliability. ChatGPT can sometimes make errors or provide outdated information since it's limited to knowledge up to its last training data, whereas search engine directs you to external sources and the reliability depends on the chosen websites. It's more like to provide up-to-date information. All right, then get on to user experience. ChatGPT offers a more personal and engaging experience, mimicking human like interaction. Whereas search engine, which is more utilitarian and focused on quickly directing you to the external sources. All right, to summarize this, while ChatGPT provides a conversational and synthesized approach to information, traditional search engines are more about directing you to a wide range of current external sources. Each has its strength and is useful in different contexts. All right, that's about it, folks. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, folks, in this lecture, you will learn about the difference between artificial intelligence and robots. Let's first look at both of them one by one. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that is focused on creating machines or software that can think, learn, and make decisions similar to the human mind. On the other hand, a robot is a machine that is designed using AI to perform tasks automatically. It is programmed to follow specific instructions. Now let's move toward their differences. The first one is nature. Okay, very first thing is the difference in their nature. AI is purely a software or the brain of the system that exists in the digital world, while robots are the body or a physical machines with motors, sensors, and other hardware. Then the function and operation. AI focuses on thinking processes like learning, analyzing, and problem solving. AI can be part of various applications, from simple smartphone apps to complex data analysis systems. And robots are concerned with doing or executing tasks. These range from simple repetitive actions or the complex processes. Then we have control and independency. AI can operate independently and make decisions based on programming and data. It doesn't require a physical form to function. But robots, on the other hand, can be manually controlled by humans or automated using AI. Their physical actions are the primary function. For example, self-driving cars uses sensors and cameras to move around the road according to the path and traffic flow. So the car itself is an example of a robot, while the AI part comes in with the software that processes data from the sensors and cameras. This AI makes decisions about steering, speed, and navigation based on real time road and traffic conditions. The next one is development and design. AI involves software development and focuses on programming, well defined instructions or algorithms, and data handling. And robots combine mechanical engineering, electronics, and sometimes AI for intelligent operation. The next one is application areas. AI is used in diverse fields for tasks like data analysis, natural language processing, and predictive analysis, while robots are commonly used in manufacturing, healthcare, service industries, and personal use like robotic vacuum cleaners or assembly lines. Then we have adaptability. Some AI systems can learn, adapt, and improve over time on the basis of data, whereas robots often perform repetitive tasks, but advanced robot use AI to adapt to new challenges. So, AI and robots are related but different concepts. AI is basically a technology, while robots are the applications of it. All right, students, that's all for this video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of both AI and robots. I'll see you in the next video. In this video, we will cover why everyone is talking about artificial intelligence and how it is providing amazing benefits to us and changing our lives. So let's get started. So the first thing is time saving. A huge benefit of AI is that it saves time by automating routine tasks flawlessly. For example, AI helps in business by scheduling meetings and responding to customer queries automatically. It can also reply to emails quickly. This means employees don't spend time on these routine tasks. Instead, they can focus on the more important things. Then, reduce errors. AI powered systems can perform tasks with greater accuracy and consistency that minimizes human error and improve overall quality. For example, AI is used in hospitals to read x-rays. It can spot tiny details that humans might miss. This helps doctors diagnose patients more accurately. Then the next one is minimize risk. No technology is complete without risks, but AI plays a crucial role in improving safety in dangerous scenarios. It can handle tasks that are too risky for humans and enhance human safety. For example, robots can defuse bombs. Self driving cars use special programs that can help avoid accidents. AI can do tasks that are too risky for people. Then 24/7 availability. AI assistant like Siri or Alexa are like helpful friends that never sleep and are always there for you. So if you need assistance or have questions like 3 a.m. in the morning, they're always there to help, whether it's answering questions, scheduling appointments, or playing music. The only condition is that you gotta have your phone charged. Okay, the next one is a digital assistants. AI acts as digital assistants in many ways and help you search for information quickly and accurately. AI can also guide you in learning new topics. Plus, it can assist in creating activities such as writing poetry or designing art. This technology makes it easier to access a wide range of knowledge and skills. Its real life example is a smartphone voice assistant. You can ask it any question and get an instant answer. It can also suggest learning resources according to your interests. Then we have new inventions. AI is being used by scientists and engineers to create amazing things every day. For example, they are making artificial limbs or prosthetic that feels almost like a limbs. Moreover, robots are being designed that can explore other planets. Those possibility of what AI can help invent are really exciting. Then unbiased decision. AI can look at information without being influenced by human emotions. This helps in making fair decisions, like deciding on loans or in justice system. It's like having a neutral and fair judge. Then data analysis. AI algorithms can analyze massive data sets much faster and more accurately than humans. These provide valuable understanding or facts for better decision making. In finance, AI algorithms quickly analyze vast amounts of market data. They predict stock trends more accurately than humans. This helps investors make better investment decisions and, of course, make a lot of money. Then we have risk management and fraud detection. Artificial intelligence algorithms can quickly spot unusual and suspicious pattern in data. They work in real time and constantly scan for anything that doesn't look right. They help stop money loss and cyber attacks. For instance, in online banking, these algorithms can identify unusual account activity, like a sudden large withdrawal, and alert both the bank and the consumer. This quick detection helps in taking immediate action to prevent theft or fraud. Then the last one, but of course not the least, advancement in scientific research. AI aids in scientific research by quickly processing large amount of data. It can look through extensive research information and identify key patterns and trends. It speeds up the discovery process and helps scientists to develop new hypotheses and understand facts more efficiently. Okay, everyone, these are just a few benefits of AI. Always remember that AI is a vast field that is developing day by day. With every passing day, AI will be bringing much more benefits to us. So let's keep learning and growing. I'll see you in the next video. In this video, we will explore some of the limitation and challenges of artificial intelligence. The first one is no emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence means to understand and manage yours and others' feelings and emotions. AI doesn't have feelings or emotion and it can't understand your emotion or show empathy. It's just a computer program. Imagine you are talking to a customer service chatbot online. You might be feeling frustrated or upset about a problem with your order. The chatbot can give you information and help you to solve the issue, but it can't truly understand how you are feeling or offer genuine sympathy. As a result, this might make you more upset and frustrated. Then, privacy concern and security risk, which is, of course, one of the biggest concern. AI can collect and use a lot of personal data. This can be a problem for privacy, as your information may be used in ways that you don't like. Additionally, hackers can misuse AI for unethical activities, such as creating fake videos or spreading misinformation about you. Some people might use it with the criminal intent for destructive purpose as well. Then expensive and complex. The other big limitation of AI is that it is not affordable for everyone to incorporate into their business. Building and using AI can be expensive and complicated. It requires a strong budget and special expertise to handle and operate these systems that are beyond the reach of smaller organizations. Then we have the lack of creativity and innovation. AI is good at copying what already exists and on what it has been trained on. But AI finds it hard to understand new ideas and it follows instructions and needs our help in this regard. In creative work, AI can help but can't invent new things like human. as it relies on what it already knows based on the data provided. Then data dependence. AI needs a lot of data to learn from, and it can't do much without it. So, if there isn't enough data, or if the data is biased or outdated, AI might not work well. Therefore, it is really crucial to train AI on accurate facts and data so that it doesn't mislead people by providing wrong or outdated facts. Then we have the loss of job, which a lot of people are concerned about. Loss of job is a very serious concern about AI is that it will replace many jobs that previously used to be performed by humans. It can automate some jobs from simple repetitive tasks to more complex problem solving roles. AI is particularly adept at automating routine or repetitive tasks. Jobs that involve tasks like data entry, basic customer service, and simple manufacturing processes are more susceptible to being replaced by AI. So if you're doing a job in one of those capacity, then you should definitely look into enhancing your skills and become more productive by embracing AI. Okay, students, the above are the few drawbacks of AI, but it doesn't mean at all that AI is not being beneficial for us. The purpose is to make you fully aware of the facts so that you completely know how to master yourself with technology and how to fix the issues efficiently. In this video, we will learn about ethical consideration of artificial intelligence. As AI is becoming a big part of our lives, and you will learn so much about AI from this course. Therefore, it is my responsibility to teach you how to use AI in a way that is fair and right. The first thing we need to understand what is ethical consideration in AI. Ethical consideration in AI are a set of principles and guidelines that help us ensure that the development and use of artificial intelligence is fair, just, and beneficial for the society. It is like a guide to do what's right and what's wrong in the tricky world of AI, where strong technology meets human values. All right, some key areas of ethical concern in AI are the first one is right intention. It's our moral responsibility to use AI for the betterment of the society and overall welfare of people. AI should be created and used with the aim of achieving positive outcomes. AI is not designed or used for harmful purposes, such as causing harm, deceiving users, abusing anyone's right, breaching confidentiality, or misleading people. It should aim to solve important problems and improve the quality of life. Now, for example, AI can be used in healthcare to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, and it can save lives. But if it is used unethically, then it can hurt people. Then the next one is psychological and emotional impact. Depending too much on AI for company or decisions might not be good for our feelings and how we connect with others. It may cut us off from society and people lonely in the world. If people will rely too much on a computer program for advice and friendship and always trust the computer instead of actually talking to real people, then it can affect their emotions and social interactions. It's important to balance technology with the real human connections. Then the fairness. AI should treat all people fairly and without bias. This means making sure that AI doesn't favor one group of people over another. For example, in a job application process, AI should evaluate all candidates equally, no matter what their background is. Then we have safety. AI must be safe for everyone to use. It must be designed and operated in a way that it causes no physical harm to humans. Rather, it should protect them from various risks, including threats, and providing safer environment. When we are talking about transparency and clarity, people should be able to understand how AI makes its decision. It's important that AI should not be a mystery anymore, and users should know the basis on which it operates. Now, for example, if an AI is used for grading exams, then students should know on what criteria it evaluates answers. Okay, and then the last one is the responsibility. The creators and users of AI should be accountable for its actions. They need to ensure that the AI acts correctly and ethically. If an AI makes a mistakes, like wrongly declining a loan application, there should be a checks and balances to rectify the mistake. All right, that's all for today. Let's follow these guidelines to create a future where AI not only advances technology but also contribute positively to the society.